we have here your... Ooh, it's your act guy. Yeah, it's your act guy on JMS. And as we know, JMS has a really good name on the booting community right now, which give us a smooth build experience, build assembly experience on building these kits, even their bootlegs. Some of the reviewers give us some review that it's like a Bandai like kind of building experience. But yeah, for me, I think it still depends on the copy that you have. Maybe they're just so lucky to have that, and yeah, maybe I get a worse copy when I have this, but I pray that it's not. I hope. Okay, but yeah, this is your Akai. It's very nice kit on Bandai. Still, if it's available in Bandai, I still want to have the Bandai of this Akai. Okay, but yeah, JMS, I know